In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a booklet in Canva. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to set up your pages, design them, and get your booklet ready to print or share digitally. First, open Canva in your browser and sign in to your account. On the home page, go to the search bar at the top and type Booklet or Brochure. You'll see a variety of templates appear. These are pre-designed layouts that make it easy to get started. Even if you're not a designer, choose a template that matches the style and purpose of your booklet, whether it's for a school project, a business, or a personal zine. Click on the template to open it in the Canva editor. Once the editor opens, take a moment to look at the page thumbnails on the left-hand side. Each thumbnail represents a page or spread in your booklet. You can click on any page to start editing it. To customize the text, just click on a text box and type in your own content. Use the toolbar at the top to change the font, size, color, and alignment. Try to stick with 2 or 3 fonts to keep your booklet looking consistent and professional. Next, let's update the images. Click on an image you want to replace. Then open the Uploads tab on the left to add your own photos. Or use the Elements and Photos tabs to search Canva's library. Drag a new image over the existing one until it snaps into place. You can double-click an image to adjust the crop and reposition it within the frame. Remember to leave some margins along the edges so nothing important gets cut off when you print. If you need more pages, use the page controls under the thumbnails. Click the duplicate page icon to copy a layout you like, or add a fresh blank page and build it from scratch using text and image elements. Make sure your content flows logically from page to page, and keep headers, colors, and spacing consistent throughout the booklet. When you're happy with the design, it's time to download. Click the Share or Download button in the top right corner. For printing, choose PDF Print. Select the pages you want, and enable crop marks and bleed if your printer requires them. For digital sharing, PDF Standard usually works well. Download the file, review it once more, and your Canva booklet is ready to go.